Hello boys and girls! It's Skills Enhancement Day. Are you excited to make a new craft? Because today we will have our arts and crafts activity. Guess what? We will make a paper bag cat puppet. Yes, you heard it right. A puppet. What is it? A puppet is a movable model of a person or animal that is used in entertainment and typically moved by a hand inside it. Now for our materials, we need small paper bag, black, white, pink, and purple construction papers, glue, marker, and scissors. Now, for the steps in making a puppet, let's follow this.
Step 1. Put the paper bag flat on the table. Now, let's make the eyes of the puppet. Fold the paper and cut 2 white circles. Paste the white circles on the paper bag. Next, cut 2 smaller black circles and paste it on the top of the white circles, like this. Now, let's make the ears of the cat puppet. Fold the purple paper into half and cut it by making a curve like this. Next, fold a pink paper and cut it also just like with a purple one, but this time it's smaller and pointy. Then, cut a small triangle and paste it below the eyes to make the nose. Now, paste this pink paper on the purple ones. We can now paste the ears of the puppet. This time, cut a white curved shaped paper and paste it on the body of the puppet. Finally, draw the mouth and whiskers of the cat using a marker, just like this. There we have it! Now, we can put our hand inside and move our cat puppet. Meow! Meow!
Alright, so those are the steps in making a paper bag cat puppet. I hope you enjoyed our activity today. See you, kids!